Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create polls on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on the plus icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Post. Now tap on poll icon which is between gift and location icon. Now all you have to do is enter a question and add multiple choices. To add more choices, just tap on the plus icon. Once you are done, tap on the post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add polls on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.